Hey, this is 1 minute hack. What you can learn in 1 minute. That is what you will learn with us. What will happen if you get up an hour earlier than usually every day? That is the secret to lead or propel yourself without identity. The secret to untitled leadership. I'll share with you. First, you should know the formula of LWT, the leadership without title, that gives you extra boost with 7 weekly extra hours, 30 monthly hours, and 1 extra work week for the month. That's will leads you to build new plans, refine more concrete vision, and develop new projects. It gives you opportunity to leverage your time to reflect more values, remove the barriers, and design your thinking in new way. You can utilize that time to do great work at personal and professional front. You can learn new skills, grow your potentials, and you will reach to the peak of success. Ultimately, you will get huge success. However, that can make you content but never satisfy. That recharge your energy to do something extraordinary. Finally, the secret is to lead without title.